office at the moment, and we thought we'd go live just to help you with a little bit of everyday hypnosis.
A little bit of everyday hypnosis. And today in particular, we're going to talk to you about bone marrow procedures and biopsies. If you may have to go in for one, we'd really have some helpful notions that can help you get through it. Some helpful everyday hypnosis to help you get through this procedure that you may be feeling anxious about.
Well, it's easy to be anxious about things that you're not used to doing. So any hospital procedure, going to the dentist, having a bone marrow biopsy, all these sort of things bring up a lot of anxiety in people. And we know that because we see that when we talk to our clients.
And this kind of anxiety can be, this kind of anxiety can be helped, and you can get through this procedure in particular
really easily,
very easily, in a very relaxed and calmed way.
And we know that because we have helped many clients do this, and they have been terrified beforehand.
They were
not
terrified.
That we want to put anything into your heads, but most people are. I mean,
it's kind of
it's
kind of one of those scary things that people, tend to Google. Help! I'm terrified. Bone marrow biopsy. The minute the doctor tells you
there's a bone,
they kind of sort of anticipate that anxiety because they say you're going to have this bone marrow procedure, and even the doctors, sometimes the way they present it, it kind of sounds like it's something that you would need to fear.
Yeah.
However, you can indeed be relaxed throughout the entire procedure and have a very quick recovery after it as well. So I think it's about time for us to begin. Please don't watch this video if you're driving or if you're in...
well, it's not a video, it's live, isn't it?
Well, it's live. We're used to doing videos, Okay, please don't watch this as usual if you're driving or if you're operating any kind of machinery.
Well, they shouldn't really be watching if they're driving, should they?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's watching if you're driving.
No, you should not.
You're not, obviously, because you're driving.
So anyway, just take care. Moment
with your head still. So close your eyes and look up to the sky or the ceiling.
That's right. And as you do that now, you can take a lovely deep breath.
And we'd just like you to curl your lips up to form a smile for a minute.
Forming a smile now. That's right.
You can begin to allow good feelings to enter your body.
And as they enter your body, they can flood through you.
And you may have had this news that you have to have a biopsy, and you may be scared or frightened about it.
And scared or frightened is okay, as it can now be in the past.
Exactly. And now you replace those feelings with a feeling of you're doing something that you need to do. Exactly.
And the day before you go into your procedure, you can listen to this video as many times as you feel the need.
Or in the weeks before if you're worried
in the weeks before, in the days and weeks to come, you can watch and listen to the sound of our voices as you know that your unconscious mind can start to feel relaxed about the whole idea.
You can take the sound of our voices with you on the day.
On the day and on the morning. Normally these procedures are done in the morning.
And you will feel extremely calm whatever time of day or night they're done.
Whatever time of day or night this procedure is done. It could happen at lunchtime. It could happen in the afternoon.
It could happen at night.
Whenever you are scheduled for this procedure, you will go into the hospital.
And you will go into a comfortable state of well-being.
The moment you enter through the doors, you will enter a state of well-being.
You will feel calm sensations flooding your body with your favorite color filling your body.
And you will take some deep breaths without consciously being aware of what you're doing.
Exactly, that's right.
Automatically inside your body, you'll start to feel relaxed, and you'll
a
wonder.
comfortable breath will go with you throughout the procedure.
And you wonder how you managed to do that. And you don't have to think about that at all.
Consciously.
You don't have to worry about anything anymore. And as you enter the room where you will be having your procedure,
a feeling of numbness will go to that part of your body.
And as you smile and talk to the doctor or the nurse who may be performing the procedure,
you will have a sensation of calmness and numbness.
And as they tell you perhaps to lie down,
that sensation of calm numbness will go with you.
And that calm numbness can go from your waist down now.
And there's no need for you to think about that part anymore.
And you may have to lie down on one side, and they may ask you to put a gown on, or they may just ask you to lift up the area which is needed, normally the hip area. They may ask you just to lie on one side, and as you lie on that side, you can feel your neck relaxing.
And you'll feel the calmness of the top side of your body against the place that you're lying on, whether it be a hospital bed or a special surgery room. That feeling of comfort will be there in your upper body.
Your upper body will feel calm and comfort, and the lower part of your body from your waist down will feel numb. And as the doctor explains,
none of your concern anymore, because it is in the doctor's hands now.
And as the doctor explains what's going to be happening, perhaps an anesthesia will be performed, a local anesthesia with a little injection. You will not feel that at all, because the half part of your body that is already feeling numb and relaxed can just let go now and allow it to belong to the doctors and nurses. It no longer belongs to you now. Isn't that wonderful? That half part of your body no longer belongs to you for the moment and for the time needed.
For this time only.
Only for this time.
The doctors and nurses' concerns. It's only up to you to follow the doctors and nurses' advice.
And as you look and just smile, and you can maybe close your eyes, you may feel some pressure. You may feel the doctors and the nurses' hands on that part of your body. And you may feel a slight rocking sensation as they move that part of the body that no longer concerns you, as it no longer is necessary for you to think about that part of your body, as your mind will be elsewhere, perhaps in a special place, a place that you can choose now.
Yeah, in your special place, in a special room, or a forest, or a beach, any place that you choose.
And as you think about a special place you can go to now, think about that place now.
Your favourite place.
That's right. Some people think about beaches and being on a lovely, warm lounge when the sun is gently on their skin. Other people prefer green grass and freshness. It's really up to you, wherever you feel most comfortable.
You can feel your favourite colour flooding your body throughout the whole time.
Some people can feel as if they're on water mattresses floating in a pool or in a gentle sea that's ever so calm. And as the doctors slowly roll and sometimes have to move that part of your body, you are no longer there. You are no longer in that room. You're in a different place now. That's right.
Your mind is taking you on a little journey, a journey of your favourite story.
And at the same time, you'll be able to communicate with the doctors and nurses thoroughly. You will answer all their questions. And as they ask you how you're feeling, you can say, I feel fine. I am calm.
Right.
And it'll be your job there now to calm down the nurses and doctors, as at times they even feel a little anxiety themselves when they do this procedure, even though they are fully competent and capable of doing it. It is something that they sometimes are concerned about themselves. So it's your job now to just think about those people that are helping you and think about calming them down now. That's right, calming them down as you calm yourself down. And your heartbeat slows now. It lowers and goes slower and slower.
And as
Calmer
you take
and
deep breaths,
calmer.
whenever you feel like you can, remember that this is just part of your journey in your life, and it's just another procedure you will be doing, maybe one of many in the future. Because, as you all know, we all have these things that we have to do, and when we've done them, we all think, well, that was okay.
That was okay, and we have that knowingness.
We do have that knowingness, and when we know how to control the way we're thinking about things, things just change all of a sudden. And hypnosis is a very powerful tool, and hypnotherapy too. And because you have been listening to this video, you'll already be in a different state of mind when you go for your procedure. You'll be in an empowered state of mind, and you will naturally feel calm, empowered, and feel well about the whole procedure, knowing that it will just be just fine. Whatever happens will be just fine.
It'll just be another one
If
of
there's
those
any
things.
unforeseen circumstances, they will be fine, as with all our other clients and patients that have done this procedure before. They come to us telling us that it was just fine.
Everything was fine, and they were feeling comfortable after the procedure and before the procedure and during the procedure as the doctor was pulling out the bone marrow and the fluid. Everything was just fine, and the area was completely numb. And the more pressure they felt, the deeper into hypnosis they went. The more pressure you'll feel, the deeper you'll go, the calmer you'll feel, the more relaxed you'll feel.
The more empowered and in control you will feel.
And the more pressure you feel, you will instantly go down deeper. 1, 2, 3. That's right. The more
Into
power
a more
you
comfortable
feel.
state of mind every time. And from now on, whenever you think about the biopsy, you will go into this comfortable state of mind, feeling comfortable
And
cool,
calm.
collected and calm.
As you are now in control of that part of your mind that can help you feel relaxed. And you can feel relaxed whenever you feel the need to feel relaxed from now on and in the days and weeks to come. You will just simply take a deep breath and instantly go into a state of calm relaxation. That's right, calm relaxation. And before you know it, the procedure will be over and the doctor will ask you to get dressed again and to sit up carefully and calmly. And you will smile as you sit up carefully and calmly, as you know that you have done one step further in taking care of yourself.
You'll be very proud of yourself.
You will be very proud of your accomplishment and of something that you have done for yourself.
Because you know, in life, when you take care of yourself, that's when you can take care of others too. Only by taking care of yourself and being responsible for your own health and safety can you help other people too.
And so as you've taken care of yourself now, or you will do so in the days and weeks to come, you can take a sense of pride and bring that pride right inside your heart. That's right. Feeling proud and happy that you are taking care of yourself.
Favorite colour inside you too, and that favorite colour of yours can go with you whenever you feel a sense of anxiety, nerves, or stress. You can have your favorite colour flooding your whole body and listening to you and taking a moment for you. Well, thank you for watching. For those who are watching the live stream after it's finished, thank you. And please do comment. Come to our website as well, englishissisters.com. And if you need any further help or you'd like a one-to-one session, get in touch.